Hello and welcome. In today's English practice story, I will show you how to speak English without any hesitation. This story is easy to follow and great for beginners and intermediate learners. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your confidence. Let's begin. Meet Sarah. Sarah is a young woman who wants to speak English fluently. She understands English, but when she speaks, she feels nervous. She often pauses, forgets words, and feels shy. One day, Sarah made a decision. She said to herself, "I will not be afraid anymore. I will speak English every day, even if I make mistakes." She wrote this on a sticky note and placed it on her mirror. Practice. Don't be perfect. Her simple plan. Sarah made a simple plan to practice English daily. In the morning, she listened to short English stories. While brushing her teeth or making breakfast, she repeated sentences out loud. She didn't worry about grammar. She just spoke. During lunch, she talked to herself in English. For example, "I am eating rice. This is delicious. I like this meal." In the evening, she recorded her voice. She listened to herself and smiled. Every day, her voice sounded better and more confident. Small wins matter. After 1 week, Sarah noticed something. She was speaking faster. Her words were smoother. She still made mistakes, but now she didn't stop. At work, she started talking to her English-speaking colleague. She said simple things like, "Hi, how was your weekend? I like your presentation." Her colleague smiled and replied. Sarah felt proud. These small wins gave her the courage to speak more. No more fear. After 1 month, Sarah joined a small English club online. She practiced speaking with people from other countries. At first, she was nervous, but then she remembered. Mistakes are okay. I'm learning. She introduced herself. "Hi, I'm Sarah. I love reading and cooking. I want to improve my English." Everyone clapped for her. She smiled brightly. Now, she speaks English every day, with no hesitation. You can do the same. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait until you know every word. Just start speaking today. Say simple things about your day. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. And smile when you speak. Remember Sarah. She started small, but now she speaks English without fear. Practice time. Now, take a deep breath. Speak out loud. I can speak English. I am learning. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to try. Repeat this every day. And one day, you will speak English without any hesitation. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. See you in the next English listening story.